How to adjust your multi-tilter chair mechanism. Adjustable seat height contributes to good posture and comfort. To raise, simultaneously lift your weight from the seat and pull up the lever. To lower, pull up the lever while sitting. Proper seat height is when your thighs are roughly parallel to the floor. Adjustable seat depth allows you to sit with your back, buttocks, and thighs properly supported without pressure at the back of your knees. Pull up the lever while using your body weight to slide the seat forward or backward. Release the lever to lock. Proper seat depth is when your back is in contact with the chair back and you can slide at least your fingers up to your fist in the space between the seat and the back of your knees. Tilting in your chair increases your overall movement throughout the day. The multi-tilt feature allows the seat and back to tilt together, maintaining the angle at your hips. If the chair tilts too easily or requires a lot of effort to tilt, adjust the tilt tension. To loosen, turn the knob clockwise. To tighten, turn the knob counterclockwise. Keep turning until you achieve the right tension for your body weight. If you want to fix the chair in position, engage the tilt lock. Push the lever down. Now the tilt is locked. Pull out the lever to disengage the lock. Proper use of this feature increases your overall movement while you are working. Adjustable back angle allows you to open up the angle between your upper body and thighs, reducing pressure in your spine. To open the back angle, pull up the lever and use your upper body to move the back. Push the lever down to lock in position. Back angle is properly adjusted when you can sit in postures with 90 degrees or more at your hips. Adjustable seat angle allows you to open up the angle between your upper body and thighs, reducing pressure in your lower spine. First, unlock the tilt, then rotate the knob clockwise to open the seat angle. Rotate the knob counterclockwise to close the angle. Once the seat is angled, push the tilt lock lever down to lock. Readjust seat height and back angle as needed for comfort. Seat angle is properly adjusted when you can sit in postures with 90 degrees or more at your hips.